Quanzhou Dachang Paper Machinery Manufacturer Company Ltd. was founded in 1998, who is the professional manufacturer of wet wipes machine in China. Dachang in the market be a veteran in battle. The elite team is ambitious to lead and drive the global wet wipes machinery industry as our own duty, to brand globalization as a strategic goal, committed to world-class technology advancing global wet wipes, machinery intelligent process. Over the years, by virtue of fine art refinement, service, attitude, and strive to be perfect, as well as the customer's accurate grasp, with customers in a way. With the development of the company itself has also obtained the rapid development. The company, with its strong technical innovation and R&D capability, which have advanced CNC center machine, long men boring and milling center, line cutting, a series of high-precision machining, and sophisticated detection equipment, as well as on the quality of products of aesthetic requirements, and constantly develop in the same industry in a technology leading new products. The products from the perfect beyond, quality to excellent, the market from domestic to international, have been exported the machine to Europe, America, South America, Middle East, Asia, Africa. Dachang Company, who have 22 years experience in wet wipes machinery field, explain the spirit of craftsmen with solid quality, focus on wet wipes machinery field, service to the global.